This guy made over $1 million in a year with his YouTube automation channel, and we are going to show you how to do the same. Hello and welcome back to Do It All channel, the YouTube channel where we do it all. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you on how to create your very own YouTube automation video if you are interested in starting your faceless YouTube channel. First, what is YouTube automation? YouTube automation typically refers to the process of using various tools, software, and strategies to streamline and simplify tasks related to managing a YouTube channel. So, whether you're a content creator or a business owner, this video is for you. In this video, we will be focusing specifically on creating your first YouTube automation video step by step for a faceless YouTube channel. If you are interested in learning more about faceless YouTube channels, give this video a thumbs up and comment a thumbs up in the comment section below. Now let's get to work. Here's what we'll cover in this video. How to choose a niche for your video. How to create a winning script. How to create voiceover. How to create high-quality video graphic. First thing first, we'll be picking a niche. What will you be teaching to your audience? This is one of the most important things in this whole process. You need to know what topics people will be interested in watching. Start by reflecting on your interests and passions. What topics excite you? What are you knowledgeable about? Your enthusiasm will shine through in your content, so choose a niche that genuinely interests you. Next, research your potential audience. Who are they? What do they want to learn or see? Look for gaps in the market or underserved niches where your expertise can make a difference. Finally, perform keyword and trend analysis. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube Search, and keyword research tools to identify what people are searching for in your chosen niches. Look for topics with consistent interest over time. One tool we love to use here at Do It All is Vidic. With Vidic, you can type a keyword and see what is the search volume for that keyword and if the competition is high or low. Let's look at examples of channels. Motiversity channel. You can see this channel is all about motivation. That is their niche. Another one would be Charisma on Demand is another example of a faceless YouTube channel. Their focus is how to be charismatic and confident. Finding the right niche for your YouTube automation video involves aligning your interests, audience research, and trending topics. This combination will set you on the path to creating content that not only appeals to viewers, but also leverages automation effectively. Now it's time to write your script. ChatGPT is a great tool to write a winning script for your YouTube automation video. ChatGPT is an AI tool for creating very high-quality video scripts tailored to your specific niche. By using ChatGPT to write video scripts, you can save time and resources while still producing engaging content that resonates with your target audience. But how does ChatGPT work? It's simple. You provide a prompt, and the AI generates text based on the context you give it. This means that you can create highly customized scripts tailored to your specific requirements. The more specific and detailed your prompt, the better the AI can generate an amazing video script that aligns with your goals and vision. Traditional script writing can be very time-consuming, whereas ChatGPT can generate scripts within seconds. Plus, the AI-generated text is human-like, making it ideal for creating natural-sounding dialogue that keeps your audience engaged. Look for ChatGPT on Google, create an account, and let AI write a script for you. Once you are satisfied with your script, it's time to do the voiceover. Voiceovers allow you to convey information clearly and effectively. You can explain complex ideas, provide context, and guide viewers through your content in a structured and organized manner. A question that we receive a lot is, can you use a voiceover to monetize your YouTube videos? And the answer is yes, as long as the voiceover sounds very human, using a voiceover that sounds very human. So try not to use a very robotic voiceover, as you may get demonetized very easily. One way of using a real voiceover is by using your own voice. If you choose to do that, you can use your phone to start and record your script. Make sure to be in a very quiet place and articulate your words properly. If you want to go the AI road, here is an AI tool you can use to do your voiceover. Murphed AI and 11 Labs are great voiceover AI tools for your videos. It is free to use with an upgraded version with more features. We all know that video editing can be time-consuming. One of the best ways to create quality video graphics faster is to hire a freelancer to do it for you. Fiverr and Upwork are great platforms to hire freelancers for a reasonable price. Things to take in consideration when hiring a freelancer would be to read the reviews and make sure that their prices and what they are offering are aligning with what you have in mind. If your niche is motivation, for example, search for motivational videos for YouTube and you will get a lot of results. Look for the freelancer with the most 5 stars reviews. If you are satisfied with the reviews and their work, contact the freelancer before paying for the service. He can customize the offer to your special needs. One of the best advice you can get about creating a great title and thumbnail for your YouTube video that will guarantee views is to create your title and thumbnail before creating your script and video. In other words, create your video based on your title and thumbnail, and not the other way around. For your title, be clear and descriptive. Your title should accurately represent the content of your video. Make sure viewers know what to expect. Incorporate relevant keywords that people might use when searching for content like yours. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or YouTube search bar to find popular keywords. Keeping it concise by having shorter titles is often more effective. Aim for around 60 characters so that the full title is visible in search results and on mobile devices. Don't forget to create intrigue or curiosity without giving away too much. This can encourage people to click on your video to learn more. And most importantly, consider SEO. Optimize your title for search engines by including your main keyword near the beginning of the title. For your thumbnail, start by choosing a high-quality image. Use a high-resolution image for your thumbnail. Blurry or pixelated thumbnails can deter viewers. Ensure that the thumbnail clearly represents the main subject or topic of your video. Use images, text, or both. Make sure the thumbnail stands out by using contrasting colors. This helps it catch viewers' attention in a sea of other thumbnails. Show emotion or expressions on your thumbnail that are relevant to the video's content. Human faces tend to attract attention. Don't be afraid to experiment with different thumbnail styles and monitor their performance. YouTube provides analytics that can help you determine what works best for your audience. Canva is a great tool to use to create nice and engaging thumbnails for free. We'll put the link in the description box below. Remember that the title and thumbnail are the first things potential viewers see, so invest time in creating eye-catching and informative ones that accurately represent your video's content. Additionally, keep in mind that your audience's preferences may evolve, so be willing to adapt and refine your approach over time. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on creating YouTube automation videos. Remember, automation can be a game changer, allowing you to focus on content quality and growth. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more content like this. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. See you in the